Okay, so my money, it's just sitting in a vault. Gold bars, Fort Knox, safe.
Adorable.
What?
Your money isn't backed by gold. It hasn't been since 1971. It's backed by vibes.
What do you mean, vibes?
Let me back up. Because the way money actually works, nobody tells you this.
I went to school for 12 years.
And yet, here we are. Once upon a time, every dollar was backed by gold. You could literally walk into a bank and swap your cash for gold.
Okay, that sounds amazing.
Then governments realized if you print more money than you have gold, you can pay for wars.
Oh no.
So Nixon said see ya to gold in 1971. Poof! Gold standard, gone.
So my money is backed by nothing?
Not nothing. Trust. Your $20 bill works because you believe it works. Your landlord believes it works. The grocery store believes it works.
That's just a group hallucination.
The most successful group hallucination in human history. Congratulations, you're in the cult.
I want out.
You can't. You used it this morning. That oat milk latte? Pure faith.
$4 of pure faith.
But here's the part nobody tells you. Who actually creates new money?
The government? The printer goes brr?
Partly. But most new money? Created by your bank. Every single day.
My bank makes money?
When they give someone a loan? Yes. Literally out of thin air. Here's how. You deposit $1,000. The bank keeps a little, maybe 100, and lends the rest to someone else.
Wait, they lend my money?
Now your $1,000 and their $900 loan both exist at the same time.
That's two monies from one money.
Two monies. Sure, that's the technical term. It's called fractional reserve banking. Banks only keep a fraction of deposits on hand.
So if everyone went to the bank tomorrow and asked for their cash back,
It's not there.
it's not there!
Which is why there's deposit insurance, and why bank runs are very, very bad vibes.
There's that word again. Okay, new plan. I convert everything to gold. I win.
Cool. Gold doesn't earn interest, doesn't grow, just sits there.
Like me on a Sunday.
And you can't buy a coffee with a gold nugget.
I mean, I could try.
Please film that.
Maybe I'll just keep my faith dollars.
Now, the sneaky part. The part that's already eating your money right now.
I don't like that sentence.
Inflation. When more money chases the same amount of stuff, prices go up.
So the more money exists,
The less each dollar buys. Your $20 from 10 years ago, worth maybe $16 today.
my savings are just melting?
Like ice cream on a hot sidewalk. While you watch. Doing nothing.
Ugh, that's the most depressing thing you've ever said.
And here's the kicker. All of this runs on debt. The whole system.
Debt is the system?
Money is created when loans are made. Money is destroyed when loans are repaid. The economy literally needs people to borrow to keep the money supply alive.
So debt is good?
Managed debt is a tool. Unmanaged debt is a trap. Big difference.
Which one is my credit card?
We'll do that episode next. So what do you do with all this?
Panic?
Option B. Put your money somewhere it beats inflation. Index funds, real estate, assets that grow.
So cash in a savings account is actually losing?
If the interest is below inflation, yes. Silently. Every day.
My savings account pays 0.2%.
And there it is.
So to recap, my money isn't gold, it's trust. Banks create it out of loans, and inflation is eating it alive while I sleep.
You got it.
I feel like I was living in a simulation.
You were. Now you've got the cheat codes. Invest early. Beat inflation. Don't let your cash just sit there melting.
That's it?
That's it. Money is a game built on trust. The only question is whether you play it or let it play you.
Okay, that was actually terrifying and helpful.
Subscribe if you want more of both. We'll be here, ruining your day, saving your future.